GreenStone&Ivy. So this is not a video of me making a house sign, water feature or a bird bath or anything like that. I wanted it to be, I've been really busy on making things and I wanted to film it, but time's just run away with itself. Bank holiday weekend just come up to, we've been leading up to that, and also I'm going away to Ireland tomorrow morning. My wife's father passed away back in December, so we're just going to nip over to County Clare for the week and just clear a few things up around the property. But before I go, I wanted to just talk to you a couple of things. I've got a tip for you, and also I want to talk to you about a couple of jobs I've got coming up. One I'm really excited about is a piece of stone what's been dug up in Barnsley. So it weighs 1.8 tonne, so it's going to come from Tyrrell Farm, which is a Longley farm company what make the milk and the yogurts here in the UK. So I'm going to be carving a nice big oval piece out of that, really nice big piece of stone, nice oval out there, the farm name on it, a bit of a memorial and maybe their logo in there. So that's one job I'm very excited about. The next is going to be a millstone. I'm going to be turning it into a clock face, so it's going to be number 5, the clock house. Nice clock face on 3 or 4 different levels with the hands, the centrepiece, so it'll be number 5 with the hands pointing to number 5. That'll be really cool, looking forward to doing that. But my tip before I go for you is, if you're carving a memorial, it doesn't have to be a memorial, but I do it with memorials, carving a memorial in the garden, whether it's a bird bath or a plaque or just a natural piece of stone you found in the garden, but you don't want to paint it in. So I've carved this here. This is a piece of Whittingfell. I've carved this in here so it says Audley on there. So what I've done, I put the seal on the top, but I've also painted the seal into the lettering here. So where I painted it in, this will stay nice and fresh, nice and clean. It'll not weather up. The rest of the bird bath will all go a nice weathered colour, nice. It'll go dark. You get some greens in there, some nice colours in there. But this will always stay fresh because of this protective seal in there. So I'm just going to bring you a little bit closer and let you see as I put the water in, it'll really stand out. As you can see, that's really effective just by putting the water on there from the watering can. Really makes it pop down. All I've done is painted it with a paintbrush, just like I just treat it like I'm painting it with paint. Just put a small amount of the weather seal in a pot, paint it on with a fine paintbrush. Just be careful if your stone's too dry. Well, you need it to be dry, so don't, like your paint, you'll be able to move about. It will soak into the stone, so it's very easy if you're doing, say, the art, that it bleeds into the rest of the stone. So have a practice on another piece of stone first before you go straight in there. I've done this many times, so I know what the technique is and how much seal to have on the paintbrush at the time. But it's really good, really effective, and over time, as the bird bath just weathers up, goes black browns and greens and darkens up, weathers up in the garden, it'll just become more and more effective. Really nice. I hope you find that useful. I'll see you when I'm back from Ireland. Take care.